Hey, how you doing today? It's JM Eberhardt, Managing Advisor for King Legacy Group, your wealth advisor. I was just, I'm preparing to record this video and start laughing because I thought nothing grinds my gears more. Well, with this particular video, nothing does grind my gears more than term insurance. Uh, I hate it, don't like it. Let me tell you why. First, there are times and situations where it is appropriate. I have recommended it once to a client because it made sense for the situation. And with the term insurance policies that I do have, they do come with living benefits, meaning, and I translate those to like long term care. If you become critically or chronically ill or critically or chronically injured, if you are diagnosed with Alzheimer's, a lot of different things, then you receive, your death benefit in advance. All right. So there are situations where term insurance it makes sense, but for the vast majority of the time, actually 99% of the time, it does not work. And I get that from a credible source. Let me just read this to you 1 second. When I look at term life insurance payout statistics, 99% of all term policies never pay out a claim. Life insurance statistics in 2024, 99%. So if you have a term policy, if you die, you're that one person when you're holding it that your beneficiaries actually receive a payout. However, there's a 99% chance that you're not going to have it to pay out. So, you know how people liken things to renting and buying a home? So with life insurance, when you have a term policy, you're renting, and if you have a permanent policy, you're buying. Okay, so when you buy a permanent life insurance policy, you build equity, you build cash value that you can access, particularly when you overpay it. And I can show you how to do that without it costing you more money. All right. So you don't lose all of your money in a permanent life insurance policy. With a term insurance policy, you're not even renting. When you rent an apartment, when you rent a home, you have a place to stay. There's value there. With a term insurance policy, there's no exchange of value really at all. There's another statistic. Forbes Advisor says nearly 1 billion American families depend on life insurance for financial and retirement security. You cannot achieve that through a term life insurance policy whatsoever. 1 billion American families depend on life insurance for financial and retirement security. I'm not a life insurance agent. I am a financial planner I'm a financial advisor that uses life insurance products to accumulate wealth for my clients. All right. So if you have a term insurance policy, give me a call so that we can get you into something different. You're just throwing money away. I can show you different strategies that I use to where we can put that money to better use. I just did it 3 weeks ago with a client. We converted his term policy into a whole life policy, and he will retire with over six figures every year because of the way that I designed the IUL. It's an index universal life insurance policy. I would say at least 50% of my clients retire with income over six figures that's tax free for retirement. So, term insurance, no, no. The other thing that I'll say about term insurance with those that follow Dave Ramsey, when I graduated college, I attended Financial Peace by Dave Ramsey. I bought the books, I had my envelopes, all that stuff. And that was appropriate for then. Um, he suggested that you buy a term policy and then you invest the rest. How many of you all know how to invest in the stock market? Do any of you know, or how many of you know how to make money in the stock market when the stock goes down? How many of you know how to make money on the stock market when it levels off? How do you? How many of you know how to read? You know, do charting. It's a lot of intricacies that you have to study to know how to be successful in the stock market. Um, it's not that it's not possible. It's just that you have to dedicate some good amount of time, and you have to have a bucket of money that you can invest into successful trades and unsuccessful trades. So Dave Ramsey is wrong. I tell you what, I will bet somebody's farm because I don't have one. I will bet somebody's farm that when I design an IUL compared to somebody that's going to buy a term policy and invest the rest and they don't have any investing experience, I'm going to win 100% of the time, maybe 98% of the time, but I would still bet on me before or any of my colleagues. All right. So if you are contemplating a term policy, I just ask you that you please hit the link in my bio, or it may be below, wherever it is. Before you make that decision in your life, please contact me, get in touch with me. It may be that I tell you, hey, it is best that you get a term policy. But if it's not, I can show you how to accumulate cash for almost about the same amount of money. It just depends on what your situation is. But regardless of what that is, please contact me. I would love to serve you in that capacity. I am J.M. Eberhardt, Managing Advisor for King Legacy Group, your wealth advisor. Hope you all continue to have a wonderful day. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.